Assalamu Alaikum, dear friends. Today I want to share something very close to my heart, and that is, I love Muhammad, peace be upon him. This love is not just words, it is faith. A Muslim cannot be a true believer until the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, becomes more beloved to him than anything else in this world. I love Muhammad, peace be upon him, because he is the messenger of God. He brought us Islam and showed us the path of light when the world was filled with darkness. Through him, humanity learned mercy, kindness, and justice. I love Muhammad, peace be upon him, because he is mercy to the worlds, a mercy for all mankind. He cared for the poor, he respected women, he loved children, and he even showed kindness to animals. Truly, his heart was full of mercy. I love Muhammad, peace be upon him, because he was the truthful and the trustworthy. Even his enemies admitted that he never lied, never cheated, and never betrayed anyone. His honesty was shining like the sun. I love Muhammad, peace be upon him, because he was not only a prophet, but also the best role model as a husband, a father, a friend, and a leader. He shared in the work at home, he played with children, and he guided his companions with love and wisdom. Loving the Prophet, peace be upon him, means trying to follow his sunnah, smiling at others, speaking kindly, forgiving people, praying sincerely, and helping those in need. This is what his love teaches us. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "None of you truly believes until I am more beloved to him than his father, his children, and all mankind." This hadith shows that true faith is connected with loving him deeply. Whenever I say, I love Muhammad, peace be upon him, my heart feels peace. His name brings light to my soul, and his remembrance brings tears of joy to my eyes. My greatest dream is to meet him in paradise, to see his blessed face, and to drink from his hand at the fountain of Kauthar. So, dear friends, if we truly love Muhammad, peace be upon him, let us follow his teachings. Let us spread kindness, honesty, and mercy everywhere. Because loving him is not only about words, it is about action. And so, I proudly say from the bottom of my heart, I love Muhammad. Peace be upon him, more than the world and everything in it. Dear friends, if this message touched your heart, please share it with others so they may also feel the love of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us, what do you love most about the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Let's spread his message of love and mercy together. I love Muhammad, peace be upon him,